new male takes over a pride, the first thing he does is to kill off all the previous male's offspring. And the reason for that is because he has a restricted period of time in which to sire his own offspring. He doesn't want to spend any of that time raising another lion's offspring. The females also come straight into season for mating once their cubs have been killed off by the new lion. So within a couple of weeks they all come into season, he mates with them, and he is then able to reproduce his own offspring. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. In appreciation, we invite you to click on the link below, and you will then receive a unique package of action photographs of our lions here at Ukutula.